Hey out there, I'm Andrew, and these are the Anvil TX from DC. Really cool shoe design right here. You do have a very nice durable fabric upper here with a canvas look to it. You do have a clean toe up front, and you do have some ventilation on the inside, which is always nice to have. Traditional lace up to keep you locked in, and those eyelets are reinforced with some very nice metal to keep it sturdy. You do have some nice cushioning around the collar and in the tongue to keep you comfortable and protected. A breathable mesh lining, always nice to have, and you do have a very nice cushioned footbed for all day comfort. Down below you can see that we have a vulcanized construction here for tons of flexibility, always nice to have, and a very tough rubber down below. It's sticky, it's got the pill pattern tread going on, so it's going to keep you super stable. Can't go wrong with a nice simple design like this. They look fantastic, quality for sure. It's from DC, check them out.